continue. Yes, sir! Ayan! Sabi ko na nga na nangitin na yung kaibigan ko. 2 points, Bundia. Mr. Choi looking him for his opinion. Choi Pinoy! Box for jersey number 20. Jersey number 20, kinakadala ng ulo. Inarangan, Silio. Inarangan ni Choi. Agaw ni jersey number 20. Ayan! Pinapaganda pa yung ulo! Hindi pumasok! Buti na lang! Mabilis tumakbo yan si Choi. Si Choi, binigay kay Tolosa. Astas, jersey number 46, Mr. Tolosa. Jersey number 13, Silio. Ayan na naman yung kaibigan ko! Yes, sir! He got it! Ayan, Astas, jersey number 13. 2 points, Buntia. Substitution. Jersey number 20. Mr. Choi. Bounce pass, back to Choi. Picking a 3. Pinaganda pa yung laro. Nakagaw tuloy ni Buntia. The Spider. Bigay jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Ayan! Kinagawan! Nakuha ni Mendoza. Sinama yan. Sino? Wilson. Jersey number 20. Mendoza foul. 3. Jersey number 3. Bibigyan pala si Mendoza ng 2 tira. Yun, pala yun. Yes sir, 1 point Mendoza. Titingnan mo natin kung lahat nila ni Mendoza sa ating 4.5 meter line. Kung may gusto mo ni Mendoza. Last, really jumper. Mendoza, yes sir, he got it. 2 points Mendoza. Jersey number 13, ayan na naman si jersey number 13. Narangan na naman. Ayan na naman. Nakuha na naman. Nakakaw na naman. Si Choi. Ayan na naman si Choi. Pinagad na naman. Stop Suloy. Hashtag jersey number 8. Substitution. Sub. Jersey number 21. Nakawala. Star Spider. Mendoza naman. Ayan na naman si Mendoza. Time out. It's 1-2. Score natin, 34-30. Remaining time, last 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Hi, John Lloyd.
I'm just staying in my lane and I'm making them choose.
Okay, back to the ball games na po tayo. Okay, 4 na ang kalabangan ng Arise and Shine team kontra sa Edgewater team. Jersey number 80, inbound. So jersey number 10, Bundia, bounce pass to Silio. Silio looking for his opinion. Jersey number 13. Ayan naman si Alex! Nakawala naman si Alex! Yes, sir! 2 points, jersey number 8. Ang lakas kumangkong ni jersey number 8. Nakamusto kasi. Foul. Foul, jersey number 5. Chris Hart. Silio, looking for his opinion to Bundia. Bundia bigay sa ilalim. Jersey number 21, bumukol. Wala. Who's last? That's where. Arise and Shine team ball. And that one to Mr. Alex. Alex, bigay kay Chris Hart. In Tinarang ng jersey number 13, Stipa, Umira, wala, rebound by Tina, Alex Cavaco,
10 seconds shot clock.
ang labon. Wala pa rin. Ina, yeah! Easy basket by Ina. Jersey number 15 to jersey number 21, looking for his opinion. Bigay.
10 seconds shot clock.
Yeah.
5 seconds.
May iniiba. Si Alex. Ayan. Kasi ang lakas mo to yung Alex. Ayan na naman. Mali na po.
Time out.
It's 1 and 2. Ang lakas na mamor ni Alex. Ano kayo yan? Ano ka ngayon?
Last time out na yan, ha?
Di bali na Alex. Sa'yo na yun. Tanggap mo na yun Alex. Remaining time, last 4 minutes and 9 seconds ating last and final period. Score natin 30-40 in favor of Arising Shine Team. Sampo ang kalabangan ng Arising Shine Team kontra sa Edgewater 2. Next game, prepare. Okay, continue na po tayo. Back to the ball games na po tayo dito sa ating last and final period. Next game, prepare. Nautilus. Okay, next game, prepare. Miss Nautilus team and Artir Elpidiras. Jersey number 15 ball to Mr. Tagalog. Jersey number 13 back to Tagalog. Tagalog controlling the ball, looking for his opinion. But there's a recent sounds. Foul with jersey number 20. Holding foul. Holding foul with jersey number 20. Jersey number 13. Jersey number Jersey number 1, okay, please continue back to Tagalog.
7 seconds shot clock.
Back to jersey number 1, Pumukol. Yes, sir! He got it. 3 points by jersey number 1. Jersey number 20, controlling the ball. Looking for his companion, Bigay kay Roland. Roland, long 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 12, Mr. Tagalog. Tagalog. Looking for his companion to jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 23, wala. Unang nagmulan. Habang jersey number 13, foul. Post power. Jersey number 5, Chris Hart. Bibigyan po ng dalawang tira itong si jersey number 13 sa ating 4.5 meter line. Titingnan po natin ang unang
Three-point foul sa Rising Shine.
Wala. Okay, ready jumper. Last and final throw by jersey number 13. 1 point by jersey number 13. Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Hit jersey number 5. Bounce pass, Mendoza.
10 seconds shot clock.
Foul. Mr. Tagalog, jersey number 12. Unang tira. Wala! Wala pa rin. Auto bounce reversing number 23. Substitution yun. Mendoza. Super five.
10 seconds shot clock.
Mendoza long three. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Ayan, may pagganang-ganang ka ng Mendoza ngayon, ha?
Basket, basket.
2 points. Foul, jersey number 20.
Acting for penalty.
Mr. Mendoza, yes sir! Easy basket by jersey number 20. Mendoza Tagalog, bigay kay jersey number 1. Yes sir! 3 points by jersey number 1. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 35 seconds sa ating last unpack. Yes, sir. 2 points, Ina. What a smile, Ina. Last 45 seconds. 3 points, jersey number 20. Last 34. Last 30. Rebound by Ina. Mendoza, back to Ina! Ina agad! Ang sakit nun! Inoids, big man, out of bounds, last 8 seconds.
8 seconds.
Ina, it's your turn! It's your time! 2 points, Ina. 1 time. Congratulations for the win. Okay. Both team. Sa gitna mo na kayo, both team. Okay, team sa gitna para sa kanila yung next year. Next game, prepare. LB Deluxe team versus Nautilus team.
Shoutout dyan sa asawa ko, 0 points.
Okay, 5 minutes warm up both team.